Yeah, snakes seem to absolutely love bromeliads. Oh, I found it straight away. Now, I wonder... It's curled up as if it's on eggs, but I don't know if it is. Let me have a look. Oh no, I think it's just curled up nice and comfy. Oh. Come out, let's go. Oh. There we go.
He's a nice one, isn't he?
Yeah. Beautiful snake.
Yeah. Like you.
Absolutely beautiful. Is this the first time you've seen it?
They look smaller than the one, Bill.
No.
Oh, no, it always, people tend to... Yeah.
He's actually beautiful. Yeah.
Awesome. All right, we'll get it,
Still big enough to get my birds.
Yeah, no, absolutely.
You got birds too, John.
Yeah.